Hello all, this is Swapna Bhausar. Today in my video, I will explain you auto increment in SQL. So what is auto increment? It is nothing but it is used to perform auto increment feature. By default, the starting value of auto increment is 1 and it will increment by 1 for each new record. So in my today's video, I will show practical implementation of auto increment and how to use auto increment. Before starting my practical implementation, I would like to request to all, please subscribe to my channel, those who have not subscribed it, and click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you so much. Now I will explain you how to use auto increment feature in SQL. I will create new database company. I will use the database, and under company database I will create one table in which I will show you how to use auto increment feature. Create table employee into bracket EID integer primary key. And one important thing is that auto increment feature is always used with prime attribute. So EID in primary key, and then we have to define auto increment. So automatically it will be incremented by 1. For new record it will be incremented by 1. So this is the syntax to declare auto increment. EID, its data type, primary key, and auto increment, comma, the next attribute. Name, its data type. Salary, its data type. So we will consider only 3 attributes. So my table is created. If I describe my table, friends, here you can see EID is acting as a primary key and it has auto increment feature, right? So please keep in mind auto increment is given to only primary key attribute. Now when I insert records for employee table, I need not to write EID while inserting my record. So just check it out how to use that part. Insert into employee. So here I will not mention EID because already it will be already we have assigned auto increment feature. So there is no need to write EID in insert statement. So I will simply use name and salary. Values into bracket. Name, it is varchar, so I will put ABC, and then salary, it is integer, so I will put some values. So my one record is inserted. If I want to insert multiple records, simply I will put semicolon and I want to insert second record, so simply I will change the value and its salary. Likewise, I will give another value. So if I execute select star from table name employee, here you can see EID is automatically incremented by 1. You can see here in insert statement we have not specified EID attribute. There is no need to specify EID attribute because we have declared it as an auto increment. So when we execute select star from employee, EID will be incremented by 1. Right? So this is my auto increment feature, and auto increment feature is always applied with primary key. If I want to add auto increment feature, then that can be also applied by using alter table statement. If I create another table, create table ABC into bracket role, then int name varchar, I will take only 2 attributes, role and name. So my table is created, but I have not mentioned any prime attribute or auto increment attribute, auto increment feature. So how can we add that auto increment feature? That can be done by using alter table statement. So I will use alter table. Which table to be modified? If ABC, and alter table ABC, add primary role, sorry, add, we want to modify it, so we will do it, modify role integer primary key and auto increment. So before inserting my records, I am updating my table. So here you can see my query is okay. And if I say describe my table ABC, so here you can see role attribute is updated, role with prime attribute and extra feature auto increment, right? So with the alter table statement, we can modify existing attribute with auto increment feature. So here I have explained you how to use auto increment in SQL. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment. I will definitely answer your question. Thank you so much.